name is Gonzalo. I'm in 4th grade and I'm 9 years old. My project's name is the airplane. My goal is to make a 3D printed plane that can tilt and move up and down. My design was to make a plane that looks like a real plane. It is unique because I use Tinkercad. I also use a joystick to control it. To build this, for my electronics, I use an Arduino, here's a 3D printer, that guy, wires, a breadboard, a joystick, servo motors, and for static parts, I use a movement servo holder and a 3D printed point. To program this project, I use Arduino coding. I use variables and loops. I tested this project about 5 times. If I had more time, I would make it a crane instead of a plane, and I would probably make it like shoot some type of projectile. Now I will show you my demo above the clouds.
Did you have squat for us? Squat, and was it just so
Okay.
everyone can see? Squat.
It wasn't long enough though. Oh wait, it is. Yeah, that's good. This cable keeps falling off, but it works, so.
Can you stand to the side?
So, goes up, down, right, and left. Well, I can't really see it this way, but the joystick controls it if you're looking at it like backwards. So I kind of have to like look at it, and if I tilt it this way, it'll go that way. It's kind of like a PlayStation. So it's like this. Flight simulator.
All right.
Sure,
Any questions?
What was the hardest part of your
I would say this is the easiest part, but nothing was really that hard. The hard part was really just making the measurements for this thing and kind of just designing it in my own way. But mostly everything was easy.
One more question?
My question was actually the same question that I asked on the last presentation. From the scale of 1 to 10, how hard was this?
I would give it. So 10 would be the hardest, right?
Yeah, what would be the easiest?
About a 3.
Alright, good job. Alright, next.
Give me a round of applause.